Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete or disable price alerts in Forex.com application. To delete price alerts in the Forex.com mobile app, first of all, launch the application open on your mobile device. After you do so, make sure that you're logged in and from the home section, tap on the alerts button at the bottom. Now, if you have added any price alerts, you will be able to see it in the list. Select one of the currency pair and it will show you your price alert. To disable a price alert or to delete a price alert, tap the delete alert button at the bottom left. Soon after you do that, you will be able to disable or delete a specific price alert that you no longer need. That's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.